Here's a homemade baby gate idea. If you can't find an option in the store that works for you, in my case it was pretty wide opening, 44 inches. I couldn't find anything that would work, and anything online was really expensive. I have to wait for it to come in. So I made a rectangular frame out of 1/2 inch PVC pipe. I made it the same height as a regular wooden baby gate, I think 23 inches, so it's easy enough to step over. I stretched some fabric across and some paracord. It's pretty flexible so that it easily comes off without having to use bungee cords or anything like that. These non-damaging hooks so they won't damage the paint later on when they're removed. And you can see the baby's trying it out right now. Can't climb up the stairs without me not looking. So overall this is about $20 in materials. The fabric is just hot glued along the back side, and I put a dab of hot glue on the knots so that they don't come loosened. And this is going to work out pretty well for us, keeping the baby off the stairs. Thank you.